Hey guys, this is part 2 of the juice cleansing series where we talk about how to do a juice cleanse, what are the benefits for your body, and this video is about all the nitty-gritty, the detailed question, and there's likely going to be a new video. So if any questions come up during this video, just write them in the comments below and let me know so I can answer them in the next video. My name is Peggy from PeggySharma.com. I warmly welcome you to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to become your own health expert, so you have all the energy to live your life to the fullest and to share your gifts with the world. I'm excited for part 2 of the juice cleansing video, how to do a raw juice cleanse. What is the nitty-gritty that you need to know to have a delicious experience? Now, if you haven't watched the first part of this series, in this video I talked about why is it so beneficial for your body to do a cleanse, the 3 top health benefits, and we also covered what to drink, some overall questions, and how long should you do a juice cleanse. So if you haven't seen that video, I link that right now. Just pause this here and open that one in your browser and then you can come back. So for everybody who watched part 1 already, let's get down to all the detailed questions about juice cleansing, and there are a lot. So this has no order, I'm just listed them, I'm just going to give them to you in the shortest way possible. So you can get out there and have this awesome carrot juice or orange juice or whatever you prefer to help your body cleanse and to have this awesome energy and just feeling well in your body. Let's get started. Question number 1. What kind of juices should you drink? And should they be fresh, or can you also buy them just from the store? Well, I highly recommend you to get a juicer and do your own juices, because that's how you get the nutrients, that's how you get the vitamins. The things that you can buy in stores, they still contain some minerals, but mostly the vitamins get destroyed in the pasteurizing or heating process for preserving these juices. My recommendation for you is to, if you can, prepare the juice, drink the juice straight away. Don't store it. If you, for example, you want to do a juice cleanse for a day and you can't take your juicer with you to work, which I understand, then I suggest for you to drink the celery and the cucumber juice fresh, and then for this break, for preparing juices, use juices that have a high vitamin C content. For example, oranges. Watermelon has a lot of vitamin C as well, because vitamin C is a natural antioxidant. You might know this phenomenon when you have an apple and you cut it in half. Then if you put lemon juice on top, it doesn't get brown that easily. That's because vitamin C is a natural preservative. Okay guys, question number 2. Which juices should you drink? Which vegetables, which fruits? What's the best? Well, for me personally, my favorite 5 are celery, definitely the top because of the health benefits. Then cucumber, then watermelon. It's just awesome. If you never drank watermelon juice before, I mean not just the watermelon juice, it's like gold. When I drink it, it's like every cell in my body is reacting with joy and happiness. It's just awesome. So if you didn't try that before, give that a go. Then tomatoes, fresh tomato juice, very salty, very savory, just tastes like pizza basically, just only that it's really healthy for my body. And then the 5th one, the classical one, is oranges. Fresh pressed orange juice. Can't get anything better. So these are my 5 favorite: celery, cucumber, watermelon, tomato or orange juice. But really, you can choose anything. It's important though that there is a relatively high water content that makes it much more easier for your juicer, and you also really get something out of the fruit or the vegetable. And if you're feeling really adventurous, try juicing red cabbage. It's awesome antioxidants, just the color will make you crazy. Or even more adventurous, try juicing a potato. Yes, just a normal organic potato with peel, just put that in the juicer. It's actually really, really healthy. People say that eating raw potatoes is not good for your stomach, but it actually is. It's such a good amount of minerals and also helps with SIBO and other digestive health issues. Also contains vitamin C if you juice it fresh and you don't heat it. Question number 3, I often hear that people, if they do the juice cleanse for a day or longer, that they start sometimes feeling tired. This is a really, really good sign. That means your body is using this break. It's going for it completely, and it's detoxing. Whenever possible, just lie down and rest. Your body is healing. It's happening. And if you have this mindset and you just lie down and you allow the heaviness, you allow the tiredness, and you just really give your body this warm shower of love instead of struggling and going against this natural rhythm, you're going to speed up the healing process even more. Fourth question, should you exercise if you want to lose weight, for example? Well, same thing as before. Listen to your body. Sometimes I do a juice day and I feel the energy is just rushing through my body and I can't stop it. I would just train 5 hours volleyball and I still have enough energy. If that's the case for you, just go for it. Don't stop. You don't have to stop. Your body will tell you exactly what it needs. If you feel tired and you just don't want to do anything, then just do the minimal thing that you need to do for your work or any other essentials, and that's it. Rest. You don't need to exercise to lose weight. Yeah, we had that, I discussed that in detail in the first part. People think they need to exercise like crazy to lose the pounds. It's not about that. Our body stores toxins in fat cells, and if we help the body to detox, the toxins that are in the fat cells will go and the fat cells will go with them because we don't need them anymore. Okay guys, I'm going to end this part with the fifth question, and that's about water. Do you need to drink additional water or is juicing enough? What's really interesting here and maybe surprising for you is that the water content that you get from a carrot juice or an orange juice or a fresh watermelon juice, yeah, if you drink half a liter of this kind of juice, you can't compare that with half a liter of tap water or bottled water or anything like that, because these fruit juices, yeah, this fruit water is alive. It's rich in minerals, it contains nutrients, it contains vitamins, and it's perfectly made for our physical body. It can deeply nourish the cells, it directly reaches the tissue, and it's completely different to a tap water which maybe contains fluoride, which is not really alive. It's a completely different game. So what I notice often, and I also hear from my clients, is that we often don't have the desire for additional water supply. So don't worry if that's the case for you, you're not gonna starve. If you feel, however, you don't feel hungry, you don't want a juice, you just want water, that's fine too. If I'm training 2 hours in the heat of the sun and playing beach volleyball, even if I'm on my juice cleanse, I might have water with some drops of lemon because I need this additional water. So listen to your body, you don't really need extra water if you don't feel like it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm sweating here, it's really warm in Germany at the moment. It's raining outside there. I hope you have a great day. Ask me your questions in the comments. I'm really curious. I say cheers, have a great juice experience. And if you like to become part of our community, just press the logo. Love to welcome you here and we can stay in touch throughout these videos and build up a community. See you in the next video. Bye bye.